Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, students? Alhamdulillah, students. We are reading the basic Noorani book, the basic Arabic book, which made easy to read Quran easily. So today, Alhamdulillah, we starting the new lesson. The lesson is about Tanween. So we also understand here what is Tanween and how many kinds of Tanween and how to pronounce Tanween. In instruction, you see Double Fatha, Double Kasra and Double Damma is called Tanween. Double Fatha, two Fatha you see here, Double Fatha, and this is Double Kasra and these are Double Damma. So you can also say Zammatain, Fathatain, Kasratain. Fathatain means double Fatha, Kasratain means double Kasra, and Dammatain means double Zamma is called Tanween. And in Tanween we do Gunna or Ikhfa. Ikhfa or Gunna is hiding the voice of Mim and Noon partially in the nose is called Ikhfa, like Man, Min, Mun, it's called Ikhfa. Whenever Tanween is followed by throttle letters, don't do Ikhfa. If Tanween come with throttle letters like the throttle letters are 6, Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha. So we don't do Ikhfa with these letters. We don't do Gunna or Ikhfa. So now, dear student, we start the lesson with the name of Allah with Ta'awuz and Tasmiyah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. And now we want to understand how to pronounce and how to join the Tanween letters. The letters has Tanween, how to pronounce and how we read and how we join or how we spell these letters. So we start now reading from this letter. Mim, double Fatha. Man, Mim, double Kasra. Min, Mim, double Damma. Mun. Now without spelling. Man, Min, Mun. And also you can read with this type or method like Mim, Fathatain, Man, Mim, Kasratain, Min, Mim, Dammatain, Mun. And also without spelling Man, Min, Mun. Now the next letter is Ba. Ba, double Kasra. Ban, Ba, double Kasra. Bin, Ba, double Damma. Bun, Ban, Bin, Bun. Now we read the whole line without spelling. Man, Min, Mun, Ban, Bin, Bun. And we stretch it one count, stretch all the letters of Tanween. Okay, next letter is Wow. Wow, double Fatha. One, Wow, double kasra, win. Wow, double damma, wun. One, win, won. And now here again without spelling. One, win, won. Next letter is fa. Fa, double fatha, fan. Fa, double kasra, fin. Fa, double dhamma, fun. Now without spelling. Fan, fin, fun. Next letter is sa. Sa double fatha, san. Sa double kasra, sin. Sa double dhamma, sun. Now without spelling. San, sin, sun. Next letter is zal. Zal double fatha, than. Zal double kasra, thin. Zal double dhamma, dhun. Than, thin, dhun. Now we read the whole line without spelling. San, sin, sun. Than, thin, dhun. Now next letter is za. Za double fatha, zan. Za double kasra, zin. Za double zamma, zun. Now without spelling. Zan, zin, zun. Next is za. Za double fatha, zan. Za double kasra, zin. Za double zamma, zun. Now without spelling. Zan, zin, zun. Now we read the whole line without spelling. Zan, zin, zun. Zan, zin, zun. Now we go to the next page. Oh, this is the next page of Tanween. Now next letter is Seen. Seen double fatha, san. Seen double kasra, sin. Seen double dhamma, sun. Now without spelling. San, sin, sun. Next is sad. Sad double fatha, san. Sad double kasra, sin. Sad double dhamma, sun. Now without spelling. Sun, sin, sun. Now we read the whole line without spelling. San, sin, sun. Sun, sin, sun. Next is ta. Round ta, okay. Ta double fatha, tan. Ta double kasra, tin. Ta double dhamma, tun. Now without spelling. Tan, tin, tun. Next letter is dal. Dal double fatha, dan. Dal double kasra, din. Dal double dhamma, dun. Now without spelling. Dan, din, dun. Now we read the whole line without spelling. Tan, tin, tun, dan, din, dun. Now next letter is ta, bold ta. This one is light ta. This is ta, bold. Ta, double fatha, tan. Ta, double kasra, tin. Ta, double damma, tun. Now without spelling, tan, tin, tun. Next letter is ra. Ra, double fatha, ran. Ra, double kasra, rin. Ra, double dhamma, run. Again here the same thing. If ra has kasra or double kasra below the ra, so we read the ra light, like now we read without spelling. Run, we read it bold, and rin, we read it light, and run again bold. Now we read the whole line without spelling. Tun, tin, tun, run, rin, run. Now next letter is noon. Noon, double fatha, nan. Noon, double kasra, nin. Noon, double dhamma, nun. Now without spelling, nan, nin, nun. Next letter is lam. Lam, double fatha, lan. Lam, double kasra, lin. Lam, double dhamma, lun. Without spelling, lan, lin, lun. Now we read the whole line without spelling. Nan, nin, nun, lan, lin, lun. So dear student, we stop the lesson here for today. Inshallah, the next remaining letter, inshallah, we read and understand, inshallah, with the next lesson, inshallah al-Aziz. See you with the next lesson, inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallah.